In this video, we are going to discuss about the following topics: how to create a sample console project, structure of a C# file, how to print hello world in C#. So let's start. To create a sample console application, open your Visual Studio, then click on create new project, then select your project template console app, then add a name for your project. In my case, it is sample console app. Then click next and click create. This will create a project with an auto-generated program.cs file. By default, it contains a console.writeline statement. We can remove this statement for the time being. A C# file structure is start with a using statement. Using is the keyword and the system is the namespace we need to import, and then followed by a namespace. Namespace is the keyword for namespace, and my namespace is the name. And inside a namespace, it can contain multiple types. It may contain a structure. So struct is the keyword, and my structure uh, is the name. Okay, inside that namespace, it may contain an interface. Interface, and also it can contain a delegate in my delegate, followed by a function bracket and end with a semicolon. Then enum, enum, and also a namespace may contain another namespace. So to do that, namespace and my other namespace. This is also called nested namespace. Okay. Inside that namespace, I have another class, my class. Okay. Next, we need to add the program class. To add the main method, class program, and static void main. This is the entry point of our current application, and inside that main method, I need to print the hello world. So console.writeline hello world, and end with a semicolon. Okay, this is the overall structure of a C# file. So to run the application, we have a green triangle button in the top. Click on that. This will open a new console window, and it will print hello world. In the latest version of C#, it have a feature called top level statement. So you don't need to explicitly write this program class and the main method. We can directly write the console.writeline like this, and we can run the program by clicking on this green button. This will also work in the new console window. So it is working perfectly. This is called a top level statement. This will allow the developers to write code directly at the uh, root of the file without having a namespace class or a main method. So let's understand the console.writeLine method. This console is actually a static class, and the writeLine is a method inside this static class. So to understand more, go to definition. The writeLine have many overloaded methods are there, and in our case, it take the string parameter. So there are many overloads, depends on the parameter, it will vary. In our case, it will take a string as the parameter and print that string on the console window. This is included in the console class, which is a static class, and console class is present in this system namespace. Actually, we need to import this system namespace in our CS file, but in this program.cs file, it uses a top level statement. So we don't need to explicitly adding the using statement. It is already included. So we can directly use this console.writeLine. There are two types of printing statement: console.write and console.writeLine. The difference between this is write console.write will only print the statement. Console.writeLine will print the string and also it will print a new line. So the main thing we need to understand is the console. In class console, the letter C should be capital letter, and in the method writeLine, the W and the L will be capital letter. So this is all about how to print the hello world statement in C sharp. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.